Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Vcruntime140.dll error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and select any web browser, for example Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or in this case I use Google Chrome, and go to google.com and hit enter and browse for Visual Studio Code Redistributable 2015-2022 docs and hit enter, and you can show the docs of Microsoft.com latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads from this to this. Download for your processor architecture. For consult, go to the start menu and type system information, and you can show your system based PC. In this case is 64 bits, and select your download and wait a moment. Click on show in folder and right click in the setup and run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and click on install and wait for your possible download. To apply the change, you must restart your computer before you can use this software. Click on restart button. And log in your Windows. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Your problem has been fixed, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.